The United States has just passed a $1.9 trillion COVID relief bill in efforts to get its economy back on track. That's after it previously injected a total of $7 trillion liquidity into the market. Many believe an inevitable byproduct of these stimulus packages will be inflation.
Inflation is certain, and the recent volatility of US stocks and US bonds and the sharp rise in the prices of commodities, such as petroleum and gold, have already reflected such signs.
While the systemic risks for the world economy are clear, China market potential and its plans to further open up could be a much-needed antidote. Officials expect the country's GDP will near $25 trillion in 10 years, and its import volume could reach $27 trillion.
Such a huge market demand will definitely bring a direct and lasting pull to the world economic recovery after the pandemic, especially for the Asian and European countries, and thus boost the world economic cycle.
Many experts share that vision, and some believe China's domestic consumer market will already surpass America's as the world's largest this year. And that will be an attractive prospect for the world's exporters, entrepreneurs, and multinational conglomerates.
There'll be new opportunities for global economic development following China's adoption of dual circulation, a new development pattern that takes the domestic market as the mainstay and allows domestic and foreign markets to reinforce each other.
Experts believe the world needs to join hands in the face of challenges such as inflation, sovereign credit risks, as well as climate change. They hope that the consensus eventually emerges that as nations made their best efforts to control the pandemic, globalization remains to be one of the best alternatives for recovery and prosperity. 大概 CGTN 北京。